Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to cover wave interaction. So first of all, I posted do now. Why don't you go for do now? And I'll take the attendance. Then we will start the lesson and I'll explain what to do. Okay. Let me take the attendance by the time you do now. All right. So I hope you are done, but I may be you may not be able to answer the question, but that's okay. We will come back when I'll be going through the lesson. Okay. So yesterday we were brainstorming about how these sunglasses work, and you had so many questions. What happened to the light waves? So we already learned about the properties of the waves like amplitude, frequency, wave speed, wavelength, and we learned the part of the waves also. Now we are going to learn the interaction of the wave. When wave interact with a medium means matter through which it propagates. So when wave moves from one medium to another, it behaves differently. When wave interact with each other, it behave differently. So today we are going to start with interaction of the wave with matter. So for that, when wave interact with matter, it could refract, it could reflect, it can be absorbed, and it can be transmitted. So today we are not going to cover everything, just only refraction. And you must be thinking, what is refraction? So refraction, let's do some demo video and you are going to find it out what is refraction and you are going to explain me. So don't worry, by the end of this lesson you will be able to understand what is refraction and you will be able to identify the refraction of the light wave, okay, by observing the video and images, and you will be able to identify the refraction of the light by answering and completing the questions, and you can give at least 2 examples of refraction in real life, okay, or maybe more, but at least 2. Okay, for that what we have to do is I made these 2 videos. Okay, there's a pencil in the glass, another is laser light in opaque water. Basically it's not opaque, I would say it's translucent water, so light is passing through it, so I need to fix it. But anyways, what we are going to do is, first of all, we watch the video together as a whole class, then you will go in breakout rooms. There will be same breakout room like yesterday, so I'm not switching people this time. Now you will be watching this video with me, and as well as you can watch this video in your breakout room too, so you have access for that. Now after watching the video, you will write the observation, any question, any pattern you see on your Classkick assignment. Okay, so this is here. So in activity A, when you will watch the pencil inside the cup and the water, you will write your observation and questions. When you will watch both videos, you will see the pattern in both videos, how they are related or they are not related, or whatever your observation is, you can write it down here. For the second activity, when Gaia is pointing the laser pointer inside the turbid water, so I have to fix it. It's opaque. It's not opaque. It's like translucent. It's the right term. So I'll fix it. So replace opaque with translucent. I just noticed that. All right, and you will write your observation, pattern, and question. So you already know what is translucent, what is transparent, and what is opaque. So that's the plus thing. So we already know. So water is translucent right now because he's pouring some color in it. It's not opaque. Opaque means it's absorbed all the lights, and we talked about it. Now making sense of it all. Once you will be done with all your observation, questions, pattern, you will come here, will discuss with your friends in the group and write it down. What do you think is happening in activity A? What is happening in activity B and why? Then I will call you back after 10 minutes. This is whole 10 minutes activity, and you will share your understanding of both videos in the on the Jamboard. Okay. Also, don't forget to make the model. So there are so many steps, but you already know how to do those things because this is the pattern we are doing every time. We watch the video, we make the observation, right questions, you know where to go, and then you will discuss with your group. Then you will make an initial model. Then after 10 minutes, you will come back. And then you will share your understanding on Google Class, on Jamboard. Let's watch the video a little bit and I'll take it in. Okay. Now I'm going to... So like this, there is a pencil inside the water. For the next video, we are going to watch this one. Now here is another video. So there is a laser light. This color, blue color. And you will keep watching it. Make your observation what you... Okay. And you will write it down in your ClassKick worksheets. Make observation. And you have this whole document, this video, so you can go and you can watch it again, but all activities should be done within 10 minutes, right? If you need more time, just feel free to ask. Okay, I'll be walking around in the breakout rooms. All right, we are back and you made very good observation here. So she writes, light travels in wave. Okay, the property of the wave changes when traveling through different mediums. That's great. Good observation. Depending on the angle of the light was held at the light beam seemed to be bending. Okay, depending on the angle. So it's a very good understanding. The laser passes through the medium and bends. Very good observation. When in the water, the object seemed to shift. Yes, very good observation. So now we are going to understand what is happening, what is refraction. For that, what you are going to do, you join me here. I'm going to start live quiz. Okay, now I'm presenting and join me in here. We will discuss what is refraction and what happens. Okay. All right, we are back. You have joined it. So let's talk about what is refraction. The word refraction came from Latin word. Re means back, fraction means fracte. They said fracte is to bend. So basically it's bending. Like in this full glass of water, you see the straw. Some people say it's enlarged, some say it's broken, some say it's shifted. All are correct. There is nothing wrong in saying that because it's your observation and that's how it is. But why it is happening like this? To understand that, we need to understand the property of the wave that is called refraction. Let's learn about it, why it's happening. That's not letting me move. Okay. Oops, nope. Go back. Okay. So when light wave moves from one medium to another medium, its speed changes. So how its speed changes? See, in this picture, just imagine this is water, it's a slow medium, and this is fast medium, that is air. Okay, when light wave, like a ray, reaches this medium, what happens? The bottom part of the wave, it touches first. It lands or hit first in the medium, and the other part is not hitting faster. It has little curve here. So because of this, it bends a little towards the normal. What is normal? Normal is any perpendicular line. Basically, it's an imaginary line. We just made it for our convenience, but it's an imaginary line and we draw it perpendicular to the surface of the wave. So once it's there, we can see the angle, how far it is bended. So like this should be straight, right? Rather than getting straight, it's bending towards the normal. So when a ray is going from the fast medium to slow medium, it speed changes, what happens? It increases or decreases? Yes, it decreases, it slows down. In slow medium, speed slows down. So let's see what's your understanding about the question. So as light wave moves from a faster medium to slower medium, its speed slows down. Let's go on the next slide. Okay.